I think I've got BBs in my boots. I feel weird. Alright. Oops. Safety is off. Shh. Listen.
Sounds like they're over there.
Yeah, I know.
Let's just wait for them to cross. Where did that entire wall go?
It's over here on the other side here.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. They moved it for some strange reason.
Let's move it back.
Yeah.
Here, here. Let's tank in here. We can hold out.
They're gonna think we're noobs though. That's the thing. Gosh, I gotta go to the bathroom so bad. Alright, here Austin, you wanna film for a little bit? Since you're just sitting here?
What am I gonna do?
Just film us.
Well,
it's for Paul, really.
Paul. This is for you, Paul. I'm carrying a 14-pound gun plus this.
Austin.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pee. Get down that little thing down there.
Huh?
You see the thing? Look.
Yeah, just put it there.
That thing right there.
Uh-huh.
That fort down there. You can get in that. And, snipe from there. It's got plenty of cover.
What?
Got it. Why'd you take your gloves off? Oh. Don't get your balls shot off.
Connor's taking a wheeze.
Alright. Cover and fire coming up. I don't know. I'm gonna try to zoom in on the camera and see if we can see anybody there. Yeah, that sounds like a dying gun.
Yep, it does.
Watch out, Sammy. Watch your left. Austin's got the front. Sammy, don't zoom it in. It just makes it look like terrible graphics. Just keep it zoomed out. Okay. I'm gonna stay down. Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna stay down. Hold your fire until you can see them.
Yeah, don't fire.
They're just wasting ammo at us.
Don't fire until you can see the white of their eyes.
Really?
I thought I heard something at 1 o'clock. That could just be me.
Oh, you see him right here? Oh, you got movement. B! B, 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 B! 11. Dude, B on me. 11 o'clock. To your left. Oh, right here. Yeah. Go right here. See movement? See him? Oh, oh. Oh,
They're going behind there. I see him. Contact, contact. Crap. Oh, I see him. Get him.
They start scattering. It took them a second to realize, oh crap, I'm getting shot at here.
This thing is awesome, rate of fire.
Where did you get that?
Airsoft Megastore.
I recommended it for him.
Yeah. And I was like, okay, I'll get that one.
Everybody get stuff off of Airsoft Megastore. I'm a shorty boy. I buy stuff off of Shorty.
Yeah. Like out of the woods here. Hang on. Why don't we just shoot at them when they come?
They're out of the woods?
Yeah, they are. I'm just gonna wait.
Switching angle. Oh, see one. They're moving off into the woods again.
Am I just hitting trees that are here? Ready? 2, 3, 4. Where do you want to move to?
Wait for it.
You see movement? They're backing up. That didn't work as well as I thought it would. Am I dry firing? Okay. No, you're good.
What happened to it?
That didn't work very well.
I think it's on fire.
If it starts burning, we'll know, and we'll call game. But for now, we'll be fine.
It did not work. At all.
Dumb.
Sorry!
Golly, you. Boom! Headshot! Oh my gosh.
Sorry! Okay, dude, the thing is still, like, spewing.
Do you guys want to move up now? Or do you guys want to move?
No.
Yeah, it's burning.
Dude, the thing is freaking... Alright. Time!
Don't shoot!
Time out! Time out! Don't shoot me!
Hey, stop shooting real quick!
Don't shoot!
Is it on fire? We're gonna checking the fort because they're just yelling random crap about shoot.
Time in!
Y'all can start shooting again.
Leave that.
Get that thing away from here. I think it smells like poop.
You smell
They're moving along the
Get it
left.
out. Well, it kind of works.
Throw it out. Get rid of it. It smells. It smells like bat poop.
Ah.
Dude, just throw it.
No, wait, because it's still going, actually.
We'll throw it on the other side and we'll get it later. Thank you. Jeez.
Dude, you should have seen it. It was like... and it was just like a jet engine going off. Yeah, dude, it was like a flamethrower. Who's in 4-mag?
It's
mine.
It's mine, or it's my dad's actually, but he's using it. I still hear him out there.
Yeah, they're just yelling and going around.
I don't know if they're going to attack from the side or not, but I would keep an eye down there.
We should each
Dude,
get one side.
we all have walkie-talkies and they don't, and we're just sitting here in a bunker being bums.
What do you want to do?
I like being a camper.
I think we need to run around and win this really quickly.
Do you want to run forward or do you want to go down to the
I can't
side?
run with this thing.
We
I
can
think you need to stay here then.
Yeah, I can stay.
draw in quarter.
Yep.
You stay here in the fort and we'll get
We're all
out.
just up on that ridge. Connor and I
You
can move
guys
up and take
sneak
them
out that way.
Yeah, you hold here and let us know when you've got
I'll
side.
give you the covering fire. Don't get out too in the open.
Yeah,
Just don't worry about the thing.
don't get shot. Yeah,
Go around this way.
back.
Well, that epic failed. I'm gonna have to cut that thing open with a claw now. Get out all the smoke stuff. And use it in a fire or something.
Alright. Make sure nobody's over here trying to sneak around on our side.
Austin, can you hear me? Over. Repeat.
It's loud and clear. I think I hear a sniper. Alright.
Whoa, getting shot at.
Oh, shit!
I think I got one of them darn kids. Simeon is down, over. Simeon is down, over.
Hit me right in the lip.
Ouch. Now it's just me and Austin. Austin!
Connor, I left my mag at the base.
Okay, you want to go get it? Who can't hit you? Go ahead.
Watching Stasha.
Alright.